Hi everyone, today we are starting Module 5, Lesson 0 Review, so turn to page 1 in your Module 5 packet. Module 1, Math Flash, Fractions on the number line. Jordan drank 7/8 of a cup of milk. Yuko drank 5/8 cup of milk. Who drank more? Well, if we label these on a number line, then that's going to help us easily see. So here we have 0 to 8/8. Remember, 8 over 8, 8 divided by 8 equals 1. So this is like one whole right here. Fractions are a part of a whole. So we have 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. Here would be 5/8 and 6/8, and then here would be 7/8. So then it says, look at the points on the number line. Which fraction point is on the left? Well, 5/8 is on the left, so 5/8 is the lesser fraction. Which fraction is on the right? 7/8, it's closer to 1, so that's bigger. 7/8 is the greater fraction. So 7/8 is greater than 5/8, and Jordan drank 7/8, so Jordan drank more milk. So now it says we're going to graph the fractions on the number line, then use the number line to compare the fractions, write greater than, less than, or equal to. So here again, we have 0 and 5/5. Well, 5 over 5, 5 divided by 5 is 1, so 0 and 1. It just looks like a fraction. So then it says to put 1/5 and 4/5 on the number line. Well, 0, and then it would go 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. We can see 4/5 is closer to 1, so 1/5 is less than 4/5. Number 2, we have 0, 1/6, and then 6/6 is up here, so that's one whole. We're going to compare 5/6 and 2/6. So let's fill them in on the number line. Here's 2/6, and here's 5/6. Well, we can see that 5/6 is more, so 5/6 is greater than 2/6. Down here we have 8s again, so we have 0, and then we're comparing 1/8 and 7/8, so 1/8 goes here, 7/8 goes here, and we can see that 7/8 is greater, so 1/8 is less than 7/8. And the last one is 7ths, 6/7 and 4/7. So 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7. We can see that 6/7 is greater, 6/7 is greater than 4/7. All right, now we're on page 3. We're on like the second part of the review. It says here, use the following steps to identify equivalent fractions on a number line. Find the known fraction on a number line. Well, here we have 0, and here's 1. And like we just talked about, we know that 5 over 5 is the same as 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Same thing here, 10 over 10 is 1. So now it says we're going to find the equivalent fraction on the number line above or below the known fraction. So here, this number line was in fifths, so 0/5, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. And then here's tenths, all the way up. Well, if you look here, we can see that 3/5 lines up with 6/10. So we know that 3/5 is the same as 6/10. And then the green line over here, 1 is the same as 5/5, is the same as 10/10. So those are equivalent fractions. Equivalent means equal. Now it says graph the fractions on the number line, then use the number line to find an equivalent fraction. Well, here we have fifths again, so we have 0/5, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. And then down here, this very first one would be 0/10, 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10. And then that's already finished for us. So then if we use the number line, we can see that 0/5 is the same as 0/10. Sorry, that's kind of hard to see. 0/10. If we look at 2/5, we're going to follow that line down. 2/5 is the same as 4/10. Then we have 2/10, which is right here, and then we're going to go up. We can see that's the same as 1/5. And then 8/10, again, we got to go up, follow it up, is the same as 4/5. So that's how you can use a number line to find an equivalent fraction. Okay, now you need to make sure, show your teacher that you completed all those notes to receive a stamp. There are no other problems for you to complete. Just make sure to show your teacher that you finished all the notes. Okay, thank you.